Once upon a time, humanity and nature lived together in beautiful harmony and shared each other's secrets. Now there's a generation ready to welcome nature's new revelation, starting with our daily routines. It's a new way to nourish ourselves, take in a breath of fresh air, and take care of our bodies. If you know how to listen, nature will reveal just how miraculous it is in all its expressions. The simple, modest hemp plant contains a precious oil which is a true elixir of youth. Hemp Care captures this oil in its finest organic form, making it purer and more effective. A new line of products created exclusively in Italy, specifically for the care and well-being of your skin and hair. Incredibly innovative and high-performing. A new nature revelation. Hemp Care. Nature revelation.